Oh, that's a bit bright. It's on this. Oh no, I want the view in. So welcome to another day in the beautiful Alps. As I mentioned, I'm in Morzine, and so today we're going to do a very steady, gentle 13k climb, which is literally from where we're staying, just literally down a bit and then up for 13k. Do a little loop and then come back down. So it's not going to be that far at all because it's the downhill World Cup, so we're going to go and watch that this afternoon. So yeah, just having a gentle morning. I might go to the lake again, or I might do another loop this afternoon, or I might just sit out and enjoy the sunshine. So look at that.
Did you dip your toes in?
No, I didn't. Do you know what? I did it. It got so chilly.
Yeah.
Definitely today though. So we've just set off, but we had some of these day before yesterday. Look at these. These are called Alpine. Hang on, it won't focus. Alpine strawberries. Can you see? They are so tiny. Look how little they are. I'm gonna eat one. So cute. They don't grow like big like our strawberries, like UK strawberries, but they are like just tiny little cute little strawberries. Look how little they are. Oh my god, so that one was ridiculously sweet. So I'm currently about halfway up the climb, but I've stopped because this is officially the goat village. Goats just roam around here. Let me show you. I was trying to remember how many kilometres in it was, but then I could smell it before I saw them. It smells pretty strong of goat poo, but should I have a look at some goats? This one's like a little show pony, look. Hi! Hello. Hi. Oh. He's having a picture. It's really chaos. So nice. Gotta go. I've got to go and do the climb. I've got to go and climb. Alright, you can have one more. I think you need them more than me. Look how thin you are. Oh god, they're all coming for the dates. Okay, I'm going. Bye! Got 1k to go. There's last few k since the goat were like so nice and gentle. So this is the very top of the climb. Because this is Harley convention, there's just loads of bikes. It is so noisy. Yeah. Lots of nice mountains. And now we're going to descend down. God, it's manic. Okay, so now, oh god, that is wobbly. Okay, so now this is a view. That was like, I was up in like the ski resort bit, but this is the actual top with the beautiful view. So, yeah, Ali just said there's about 19 different hairpins on the way down, so I'll get the GoPro on. I'm not gonna navigate with this camera, so yeah, but oh my days. That is why I love riding bikes. road riding for today. We've come to watch the downhill World Cup. The women are riding at the minute and the men's is a little bit later on. But Jesus, honestly, I can't even believe how steep it is. It makes roadies look like absolute wimps. I feel a bit embarrassed. I'm like, oh my God, they are like, honestly, I've just watched some of the women, I'll show you some of the footage. Unbelievable, like how steep it is and just fearless. So yeah, beautiful view. Nice view. I think this is probably the one place you can leave a road bike and know it's not going to get nicked. Because all the mountain bikers are like, what do we want with a road bike? Keep your stupid road bike. I would love to be able to do this, like have the balls to be able to do it. So many people as well. So apparently the World Cup's not been here since 2004. So yeah, there's a lot of people. But then because it's the Harley Davidson weekend as well, honestly, it's rammed everywhere. It is a little bit crazy. And then tomorrow we've got a big day of riding, so I'll show you that then. So yeah, today's just a little short one. And yeah, let's head back up here. I'll see you in a little bit. So now at the finish of the race, ready to watch the men.
Résultat.
And it is.
Sur la partie résultat ici, sur le meilleur score, on était sous la barre des 3 minutes, on était à 2,59 et le 60e rider était aux alentours des 3 minutes 10 environ, 3 minutes 10. Donc, est-ce qu'on va aller sous la barre des 3 minutes? C'est ce qu'on va voir aujourd'hui. Qu'est-ce qui va se passer? Ouais, avec 3 minutes, qu'est-ce qui va se passer dans les c'est magnifique sur 8500 mètres carrés de terrain pour les différents partenaires. Donc 12 centièmes de seconde sur le premier split et ça continue ici pour...
I don't even know if you can hear me. I've just literally come away from the World Cup. Jesus, that was honestly, I've spent all afternoon just sat there. Oh, I've just missed a bit. Oh, I should go and watch. Honestly, anyway, let me get back to it. Honestly, so much fun. And I'm not really into mountain biking, but that actually makes me want to have a go at mountain biking because I'm just like, what's going on now? Oh, it's a French rider. Sorry. Oh, I'm going to go back and watch the end. Honestly, it is so much fun. I can't even believe it that I didn't think that I would be that. I was like, oh, I'll come and have a look at it, but I got really into it. It makes me really want to try mountain biking. Not to that extreme or to that level, but definitely makes me want to try it. Oh, look at these views! There are bikes everywhere. Literally everywhere. So, it has been a while since I last filmed. And that is because I basically just don't want to have the camera at dinner time because everyone's eating and I actually find that like the most like lovely social part of the day and I just don't want to be filming, so please forgive me. But I don't know how they've done it here, but they just seem to get, there's been loads of different people kind of coming and going and like ending the trips and stuff. Just really, really nice bunch of people, like really, really lovely and friendly, and like that's one of the main things that I really like about this particular place is that the people that are coming in and out are just so nice. And Ali and James, who run 44 South, are just the nicest people. They're just doing anything, everything they can just to make sure that we're having a nice trip. So yeah, in fact I might grab a chat with them maybe tomorrow or the day after, just to, because I love what they're doing here. Like it's not like a, how would you describe it? I'll get them to describe what it is, but for me I feel like it's just a really relaxed, like home from home style place. Like it's really relaxed, everyone's really nice. It's not all about just like smashing like hundreds of Ks. It's like do as much or as little as you want and just enjoy the Alps. It is just I'm really, really happy. And look how cute this little bed is in here. I really like it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Filming tomorrow. Tomorrow we are, what are we doing tomorrow? Oh, we've got an even longer climb. I think it's 14k. They're just easing us in slowly. It was like 6 and then 11 and then 13 and then a 14k. with some steep sections and a tunnel. So that is what is to come in tomorrow's video. So yeah, that is it for today, and I'll see you next video. Nah, excuse the hair. Did I even mention that at the start? Oh my god. I'm gonna go and get a shower now, I think. It's just a mess.